In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change JBL Tune Flex ear tips. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. One of the standout features of the Tune Flex is the fact that you have plenty of options for the ear tips, so they can fit ears of any size, and changing them couldn't be simpler. So, if you look through the case when you purchased your JBL Tune Flex, you will find this included. So you will have 2 medium-sized ear tips, 2 small-sized ear tips, and 2 large-sized ear tips. They will be located on this case. So just browse through all of the items included and you will find this black case. Open it up and pick the specific ear tips that you would like to use. Once you have them in your hand, it's going to be as simple as removing the ear tips from the Tune Flex. So this can be done by firmly grasping onto them and pulling them towards you. Again, there's no secret to this. It is extremely simple. Once it is removed and you see this part here exposed, simply grab the ear tips from the case and put it into position. So as you can see, you line it up using this border, and because of this little notch on the actual Tune Flex, it is going to be firmly placed in. So you can clearly notice the size difference on this example here. This is how it looks with the small one, and then once you install a different size one, it is going to cover more when you put it inside of your ear. So as long as you properly line it up and it connects, it is going to be firmly in place, and you can change it as many times as you wish. You might be able to purchase different sizes online, but I believe that the small, medium, and large sizes they provide will be enough for the majority of users, and it's as simple as removing it using your fingers and placing the new one by using this notch here to line it up. Now, before I end the video, I want to highlight the fact that when I went to check the channel metrics, I saw that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the best solutions to any problems and videos regarding any topics that you would like to watch. So I highly count on your subscription. Subscribe today and you will get help regarding any problems or questions that you might have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.